Hello and namaste. What's up guys? In this video, I'll walk you through the top 5 challenges of the Everest Base Camp Trek and how to overcome them. Challenge number 1. Altitude sickness. Altitude sickness is the biggest hurdle most trekkers face. As you climb past 3000 meters, the air gets thinner, making it harder to breathe. Tips to overcome. Go slow and steady, pace yourself. Acclimatize properly, take rest days at places like Thamsi Bazar and Dengboche. Stay hydrated and avoid alcohol. Watch for symptoms like headache, nausea and dizziness. If they worsen, descend immediately. Challenge number 2. Freezing temperature. Temperatures can drop well below freezing, especially at night. Even in the daytime, the weather can change quickly. Tips to overcome. Layer up with the moisture-wicking base layers, insulating mid layers, and waterproof outer layer. Invest in a high-quality sleeping bag rated for -20. Keep your water bottle and electronics inside your sleeping bag to prevent freezing. Challenge number 3. Steep ascents and descents. The trek is relentless mix of uphill climbs and steep descents, especially on the section like the climb to Namche Bazar or the final push to base camp.
Now we can go there.
Tips to overcome. Train before the trek with hikes, stair climbing or cardio workouts. Use trekking poles to reduce the strain on your knees. Take regular breaks and don't rush. Remember, it's not a race. Challenge number 4. Limited oxygen levels. As you ascend, oxygen levels drop by nearly 50%. This makes every step feel harder and recovery slower. Tips to overcome. Breathe deeply, focus on controlled breathing patterns. Exercise, sleep and proper nutrition help your body adapt. Challenge number 5. Mental and emotional fatigue. The physical challenges are obvious, but the mental toll can be just as tough. Long days, isolation, and fatigue can weigh you down. Tips to overcome. Stay motivated by focusing on why you started this journey. Travel with friends or make connection with the fellow trekkers. Celebrate small victories. Every step gets you closer. In conclusion, yes, the Everest Base Camp Trek is challenging, but it is also incredibly rewarding. With the right preparation and the mindset, you can conquer these challenges and experience one of the greatest adventures on earth. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share with friends. See you in the Himalayas.